In this lecture, we're going to look at the view properties and projected view. So we have base view or front view, and we have top view. And for instance, we want to add a right view of this front view. So you can just click on it, and here we have option projected view. If you click on this and you go right, you got a right view. And if you click again, projected view, if you go down, you have a bottom view, or if you go left, you have a left view, or you have isometric view. So let's make a left view and escape. If we click on this view, our top view, and if we go to projected view, then this is our base view, and we have a right view of this view. Or, for example, of this view. If we click on it, on the projected view, now we have a right view of this view. So this is our base view now. So in projected view, you can create right view, left view, top view, bottom view, and isometric view from the view that you choose to be base view. Let's delete this one. Let's delete this one. And this one. And now we have a base view, and we have a right view and left view. The second thing that we're going to show are view properties. So if we click on this view or base view, front view, we have here some properties. Let's go down, and here we have display style, and now we have hidden lines removed. We can go with shaded with edges like this. We can also go shaded. We can go hidden lines visible. Now we see hidden lines, and we can go wireframe. And now if you notice, if we change on this view display style, automatically display style is changed on those two views, left and right, because they are linked to the base view. Also, we can go to scale. Let's go to use custom scale, and here we have some custom scales. So let's go to 1 column 5. We can go to 1 column 1, or we can go here and user defined root. And now we can choose our own scale. For example, 1 column 2.5. Let's leave it to 1 column 2. Let's click OK. Now, as you saw, we have changed display style and scale of the front view, and automatically the right and left view were also changed. If you want to change only for right view scale and display style, just click on the right view. Let's go here. Let's go shaded with edges, and now only changes are applied to the right view. We can change scale, 1 column 1, and OK. And this is how you can change display style and scale of your views.